Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you'll see by the title, today I'm going to show you how to build a vanity decks or a dupe. So as you can see, I've already opened the box and set the parts. So let's get into it. I hope you like this video.
I don't wanna take you home with me. Get what you're saying, all of these games you're playing. Can't bother reading your message, no I'm not here for your show, wasn't asking. But I've been quitting what you're taking, I've been sipping cause I'm making no regrets, I'm not assistant, just gonna be what you were, I'm not missing you, yeah. I'm fucking down with all this shit you told me. Just regret that I met you, damn you hold me down. All my fortune's just been wasted or gone. Oh, you made me feel...
Okay guys, I want to show you how I figured this thing out. It was really hard for me to find it because they didn't put it on the instructions and I couldn't find it on any YouTube channel. I went to YouTube to research, I couldn't find it. So you basically flip the back and then push it out and there's this black thing at the back and then you have to swipe it to the other side before you can get it out. So I just wanted to show you guys because it took me a day for me to figure it out. So I hope it will help someone out there. Yeah.
wanna take you home with me.
So guys, here is the finished part. I hope you guys love this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel, so every time I post a video you get to see it. Please don't be like me, make sure you get tools, because I don't have tools at home, so I use my scissors. It's funny, don't be like me, please get tools, please. It took me so much time to put it together, but this baby is looking so gorgeous, and I can't wait to put my vanity mirror on it and just start to decorate it. You know, this is a must-have, you know, like a must-have. It's really cute. I love it. You know, it wasn't easy putting it together, but yeah, we did it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. So if you want to see how I did my vanity mirror too, if you want to see it, just click here or here, I don't know, and just go and watch it. And I will make sure to bring the finishing part when I'm done, so comment down below, let me know, or let me see if you guys like this video. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Bye.